Hi guys and welcome to Beam Review. My name is Beolaya. Sorry that I don't have my camera. First of all, it's because I'm a little bit sick and I prefer you not to see me in these conditions. But by the way, we're going to review now Affiliate Weapon. We're going to log into the members area and I'm also going to give you some amazing bonuses, okay, so you can use. So yeah, this is a brand new product. The launch is today and this insane bonus bundle is going to come down the 9th of October, okay, this Friday. And the early bird prices are awesome and I'm also going to give you a coupon, so please check it out. And what is Affiliate Weapon all about? Well, it's a brand new push button software that drives free traffic to your Done For You offers in 60 seconds with just a few clicks. Okay, there's proof below, so don't worry. You're free to check my bonus bundle. Okay, it's in the first link in the description box. So yeah, it's a complete money-making system, includes easy-to-use software, so don't worry you're a newbie, you can use it. No writing, designer or folder building required, okay? This is done for you and you can make money as soon as today. It's training, case study and bonus are included. We will show you how to take your affiliate secret weapon and scale up to 6 figures and beyond. So if you're willing to make money online and you find softwares very interesting, please stay with me until the end of the video. So the steps are very simple. You log in, you choose one of the Done For You proven to make money offers, and then you activate your free traffic and you wait, okay? It's that simple. So who is it for? It says here that it's for it's completely new friendly, so it's for everyone who wants to make money online. I'm going to talk first about my bonuses. As you see here, I also included a demo video, okay, and real case studies, so you are free to watch them. So yeah, my first bonus is to create ultimate landing pages in seconds, okay, and you can use it along with Affiliate Weapon. Then you drive traffic to these landing pages and you wait for the cash to start. Then the second one is to enhance your website with social and marketing features with a way to attract customers and to make them more attractive, which is going to enable you to get more traffic and let the traffic stay there. Then the third one is to rank your website with the best SEO tool. So this is great to position your products, your services in the Google, Facebook or YouTube ranking. Then the fourth one is to create profitable affiliate websites with price comparison, deal, product reviews. So if you're into affiliate marketing, this would be awesome for you. Or even if you're newbie starting to make money online, okay? This comes with also tutorials, so it's very easy to use. And also the exclusive bonus, which include all the Affiliate Weapon vendor bonuses. We are going to see them now. This is the sales page, the incredible sales page, also with testimonials. You can see it also here. And yeah, the steps are also here. And the bonuses I told you of the vendors are these ones. So you're not only going to receive my bonuses, but also the vendors Affiliate Weapon bonuses. This is a quick start video training. This is the access to the Affiliate Weapon app. This is the Done For You offers and multi-boosting free traffic platform. Okay, these are like the steps and these are the bonuses. The Affiliate Weapon Insider, the Success Community, private community. You have totally access to people that have already got results, okay? The private community of Facebook, which you're going to learn a lot. You can also ask questions there. Then the bonus 2 is the step-by-step from scratch to profit training. The value is also a lot, and you will be shown the basis of the Affiliate Weapon software and how to maximize the profit potential. Then the bonus 3 to underground secrets of 2K per day live invite. This is a live training and it's also a testimony with also great value, and then you can duplicate the secrets yourself and see it for yourself. Now we're going to log into members area to the real product, which is this one. Okay, this is the first time I'll log in, so I'm not sure how this works, but here is the landing page you can create. Okay, these have already been created. They are addressed, but we can visit the site to get an idea of how the sites work. So for example, this could be your landing page. Okay, you can modify it. Okay, you can modify yourself, you can create it yourself, and the call to action is also there. So yeah, this is another example. This could be yours, and you can generate this to generate money. And also you can also sell things like a product on Fiverr if you don't want to produce your own products, or in addition to another source of income. You have here the trainings, okay, the video training of the welcome and the traffic video training. You also have here support. If you have any questions about how this works, okay, it's incredible. You have multiple questions also answered here. And then the freebies offers. So here's a list of high converting freebie offers, okay, that you can also resell for yourself and keep all the profits, which is awesome. There's a lot here, okay, wow. This one is really great. I knew it, and also easy rank. There's plenty of offers here which I promoted myself. Shuffler also was a real one, and a really quick for Don't For You template. And here is the traffic, okay? So yeah, you have to log into your account. I don't have here the passport, so that's the only, but you will get the passport when you buy it. I believe it's like more private, so I can't show it to you right now. But yeah, this is the web page. I believe it is very easy to use. You can create here a new site. You can also create here a new site. There has plenty Done For You templates. You can either choose one or create from scratch. So let's go with the funnel. Okay, how much this costs? Well, the front end is only $19. Okay, it's completely Done For You. It's completely money-making system. It includes the software, the training. You don't have to write or design. You have to only to put this into practice, and you get all my bonuses if you buy it via my link, which is the first link in the description box, and all the bonus vendors. Then the upsell one is $47, as well as the upsell 2 is the secret commission size. The upsell 1, you get access to all these benefits, and the advanced edition, it's only $47, and you get also these benefits. It's the first high income skill. More than 60 Done For You can't converting sites. You can even quit your job, it says here. You'll only have to try it. Don't quit your job today, okay? But when you get results, you can, see like a future. Then the 197 offers is the upsell 3, which is Done For You affiliate profiles with 20 Done For You profit campaigns ready to be developed. Then the upsell 4 is 77, which is the one here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's the profit boosters. And also the fifth one is here. The fifth one is here. Is the reseller right? Okay, it's 147. The reseller. Sorry, I think it was the problem here. This is the front end, which is 19. Okay, the upsell 1 is the same as the upsell 2. Okay, so that's why the price here is different. So please take it a look. It doesn't matter because when you pay, the amount of money will be seen there. Okay, but I think there's something wrong with it. So the secret commission size is 47. Then the advanced editions is 197. Then this is 77. The Done For You affiliate profile. Then this is 67, and there is 187, the license rights. So the benefits, no technical skills, no need to spend thousands of dollars to proven offers and free traffic methods and Done For You funnels. So let me know you like this software. If you want my bonuses, purchase it with the link in the first link in the description box. Okay, please comment if this was useful, this review, this software, if it has made you quit your job and make tons of money. Okay, I would very appreciate a like and a comment in my video. Okay, see you in the next Beam review. I hope it gets better. Bye guys.